Once you've created your quiz or choose your own adventure and you've created all of the slides, each slide should have included a title portion, which will allow you to search for them very easily. Now you have to go through and create all your links so that the slideshow works properly. The tricky part is when kids or any users click on it, you don't want them to inadvertently just go straight through your slides. You want them to be able to jump to the different slides. So you need to do a couple extra things. When you give your options, you want them to be in separate text boxes. So I have true in one text box and I have false in another text box so that I can link them to different places. The first thing I'm going to do is take these text boxes that I'm going to want to link to other slides and get them off the page. Then I'm going to insert a shape, which you can do from here or you can do from the toolbar. And I want a rectangle. And I'm going to create a rectangle that covers the entire slide. Now the problem with this is when you let go, it's going to fill, and then you can't see anything. So I'm going to go up to the toolbar and make the entire rectangle transparent, and I'm going to make the line color transparent so it is an invisible rectangle. Now, if they click anywhere else on the slide, I want them to stay right where they are. So while my rectangle is selected, I'm going to click on link, and I'm going to click slides in this presentation, and I want it to stay on slide 1 where we are. So I'm going to pick that and apply it. So right now, if they click anywhere on here, they're going to stay on this slide. Now, I want to take my two options and put them on top of that rectangle I just made. So before I drag them back over, it's important that you do this before. I'm going to order them and I'm going to bring them all the way to the front. So now that they're in the front, I can drag them back where I had them, right into the center. And I can link these separately. So if they click anywhere around true, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to click link, slides in this presentation. I want them to go to you picked true for this first question. I want to actually highlight that text. I was just showing you what not to do. Make sure you highlight the text. If you just pick the text box, it's going to paste in the link. Oops. I want to link it to you picked true. Now it'll just underline that. And same thing, I want to highlight the text for the other one. I want to link it. And I want this one to link to you picked false. And apply. So if I were to present this, fingers crossed, if I click anywhere on this, it keeps me on the same slide. I can still click through and go to different slides, but anywhere else on this slide, I'm not going to go through. But if I click that the answer is true, it's going to take me to that I picked true, and it's going to tell me what I did wrong because that was the incorrect answer. And if I pick false, it's going to jump me to the false because I picked the wrong answer. And that's how you make sure that your slides are all safe for an interactive quiz.